Morning, guys. Today is June 14th. I'm going to share with you some of my top picks for the watch list for today. These stocks are also going to either consolidate, break out, or build a base before it breaks out for us and make us some money. These, just a disclaimer, these watch lists are just for you to look at, see potentials of entry, and put in your thoughts and process as well into these kind of stocks, and then take actions to see which stocks best fits for you. It's not generally, this is just my broad-based watch list, and some of them, if it breaks out, I'll be entering, but some of them I'll be just watching. So I just want to make sure that you're not entering all of the stocks that I'm mentioning for today, and take actions for today. Don't do that. All right. So Crowd is building a base. It's made a huge move on earnings, and it's continued to move. This is a bullish move right here, and consolidation, and then it moves up based on riding the moving average. Now it's consolidating and trying to break this base. So once break this base, this would be a good entry. And what we do is set an alert so that when it does happens, we are there to look at it and determine if it's time to take action or not. So CrowdStrike. TWLO. TWLO is one of the AI buy signal, and it's been on the base for a while. It's broke off the base. Now it's consolidating, building a kind of like a channel, but it's a broken channel, so it probably needs more time to build up before it breaks out. And it will definitely need the support from the market as well. But this is the baseline here. Entry point would be at 69 or 67 or so once it breaks. Still building a base, so but it's one of our stocks that we're watching right now based on the volume here. The last time it made this huge volume, it failed, and it just went down from there. But we'll see what happens, right? This one, VYGR Biotech, made huge moves here, consolidate, made another huge move here on news. Now it's just building a cup and handle, small cup and handle on the bullish move. And so if it's consolidating, if it breaks here, I'm pretty sure there's going to be somebody entering this stock based on the volume wise. The last time it was at trading at 3.3 million in volume. IOT, great earnings, surpassed earnings of 60%, bounced off the gap up on pre-market that day, made another huge move. So since then, this stock has been moving upwards, up 23% or so. It's consolidating. Entry-wise, I'm not entering it now, but it looks like it built a small base here. I'm hoping for the 10-day moving average to catch up before anything, and 20 days catch up before it builds another momentum. But you never know with this market, with a small range like this, it could move even more. So we'll see here. SUN, another AI hyped. It's a smaller cap, $3.18, but it is consolidating, building a channel. So it's trying to break out this channel from today. Maybe hopefully it breaks out, and that's when you can probably use a good entry point in that regards. FFIE, a small consolidation, riding the 10-day moving average. There's some volume that picked up at 200, trading at 255 million. It is a super small cap. I'm just watching in terms of setups. In theory, I'm not going to be entering this one. This one made a huge move from $4.25. Made 51% move, consolidating. Nice bullish wicks here, bullish wicks. Just grinding up. When the seller sells, it tends to fail, and so we have this hammer moving upwards and it's trying to break this base today. So I'm going to set up a nice alert, and we'll watch this. do have a lot of these 22 stocks because it's just I usually only have 2 or 4 that I'm gonna watch and play on the day. But since I have this overall stock watch list for you to just look at throughout the week, be nice. Max as well. Yeah, LW. There's no confidence in this one. It's just I was watching on yesterday's move on an entry when it breaks out that candle there. Uh, and I'm hoping for it to pull up, but it didn't. It failed here, and so it's probably going to move down from here. APLD is building a base strongly here. It is another AI, artificial intelligence, cloud-based services, bouncing off the 20-day moving average. Now it's just consolidation. I would say the entry would be down here somewhere. We'll see what happens, but it is a stock that I'm watching and trying to enter. So APLD. That's very choppy, $2.61. It is consolidating, trying to break that base. When it does break, I'm sure it's going to make a big move. Yes, still watching. This one's breaking the base. Could be an entry for a long. We'll see what happens. It topped the top revenue estimate. That's when it moved up vastly. This is very nice. I'm watching. It has some capitals allocated to this, and I'm trying to see if this today would be the best entry. It did have some fake outs for the last three times it tried to exit or try to break out. So this it would be a third or fourth. So this one as well. So you can see the history where it tries to break out a couple of times before it actually breaks out. So, but setup wise, this is perfect. Palantir. It's building a base, grinding higher, lower highs. It's trying to build the base as well. So we'll see if it breaks that base, break this base, or pull back down. This one's nice, very tight. Did have some fake outs the other day. I was in it, but I sold to gain some capitals to allocate to other uh, stocks. This one's building higher lows and trying to break that base there. I drew. This one, uh, this is channeling. It is building a tight base. It is kind of a weird setup, but at the same time, it is visible that I can see that there's a small channel being played and there's some bullish move involved within that channel. Monday, if you're going to be entering Monday, it would be today would be a good entry on a breakout on this base here. And you'll see if it does, then you can take the action to enter. I'm already in this stock for a very long time. I was down here. I bought it when it broke at 150. So crowd. Yeah. All right, that's it for our watch list. And again, this is a watch list to watch. And if there's something that you think you can take action on, take it. Some of the stocks that do need time to build. It won't break out today, so be cautious of not entering all the stocks that I've listed here on our watch list. Thanks.